Vietnamese food located at Nottingham, United Kingdom. Different kinds of noodles. This is beef noodles. I don't know what's the name. And the other one is this one. I'm not sure. This is beef. Parang siyang bulalok na nilagyan ng noodles. And then ito yung fried noodles ng Vietnamese. Parang lang siyang pad thai. Yan. Ito naman prawn noodles. Yan. Yan is spring roll. Tapos yung isa is ayan, spicy noodles yata yung isa. Ito yung kape ng Vietnamese. Ayan. Masarap kasi may condensed milk. Sabi ng kaibigan ko, mas masarap daw pag coffee nila.